Hi, this is Florian Beyers with GitHub, and I'm going to show you how to access GitHub Copilot using the VS Code command palette. I will be using NVDA 2024.1 on Windows 11 using the GitHub Copilot extension within VS Code version 1.88, which is the March 2024 release. In the command palette, we have convenient filterable access to every command VS Code is able to run in the current context. This list will show off the hotkeys configured to trigger these commands if available, and allow us to activate the command in question right from the command palette. There's a few ways to bring up the command palette, but the easiest way is to simply press F1 on your keyboard. Next, we can search for a command by typing a search term. Let's show this off by using the search term Copilot. Providing the GitHub Copilot and GitHub Copilot chat extensions for VS Code are installed and enabled, this will list a number of commands we can run. Features include bringing up the inline chat panel or the GitHub Copilot chat view, but also prepackaged instructions like explain this code and generate documentation. These take the currently highlighted code and do exactly what it says on the tin. For example, document code, generate tests, or even fix a bug that Copilot has found. I will show off some of the commands we have available by going through the results we have found after typing Copilot in the command palette with the up and down arrow keys.
GitHub Copilot accept panel suggestion of the cursor Control+/5 of 20. GitHub Copilot apply suggestion with Copilot 6 of 24. GitHub Copilot select diagnostic 7 of 20. GitHub Copilot enable/disable GitHub Copilot explain this 9 of 20. GitHub Copilot explain this terminal 10 of GitHub Copilot fix this 11 of 20. GitHub Copilot generate docs 12 of GitHub Copilot generate tests 13 of 24.
Now please note that for some of the commands in this list, we have already created some videos to show off how these commands work with the screen reader. For others, other videos may follow soon. This is the end of the video about the command palette as it pertains to GitHub Copilot. Please be on the lookout for more videos to come about this topic soon. Thanks for watching.